welcome to another unboxing video. About a week ago I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from AliExpress to add in Visuino. I had finally succeeded to save a bit of funds to purchase more stuff to add in Visuino, and they had some good sales and I picked quite a few items. I believe I know what's in this box, but yet before I have opened the box it's a bit like the Schrödinger cat. You really don't know what you're going to find inside. So without further ado, let's see what is in the box. I believe I have to cut it from here. So the box is from Keyestudio. So that's the first hint. It's obviously not very small, so it cannot be, or is highly unlikely to be, some small module. So we are looking at something slightly bigger. Second hint. And if Rusty has done its job, we may get even some more hints. So here it is, wrapped. Keep up the suspense, and voila! We have this Vision Smart Car little robot. It's ESP32 based. And again, with the relatively currently added and further improved in recent months video support in Visuino for especially ESP32. I thought that it would be nice if we have a robot that is oriented toward computer vision, and this will allow me to add more computer vision support, hopefully, in Visuino. So that was the reason I decided to purchase this particular robot, aside from the fact that it was relatively affordable with the sale that they had. So here we have a booklet. No assembly instructions in this booklet, just parts list. Seems like very few parts. I will see to post assembly video as well. Next we have the main board slash chassis for the robot. So the board serves as a chassis as well. We have the wheels, some kind of base plate or something, I'm not sure where it's going to go. Let's see in the parts list what it is listed as. And they just state it's an acrylic board with Keyestudio engraved on it. USB cable, USB-C more specifically. Here is the ESP32 camera board. This little thing from the picture I see will orient the camera to point forward on the robot. This, I presume, is one of the wheels, the one that allows the robot to rotate around. It rotates by alternating the motors, and yeah, Visuino has components specifically for converting direction and turn angle into alternated motors. Power working quite well. And finally we have, of course I forgot to mention, we have the standoffs here and some bolts. And finally we have a small screwdriver. So again, very simple, very small robot, quite cool honestly. And it should make for really short and hopefully fun assembly video, as well as some busy time for me to map all of this in Visuino and then start using it to develop further the computer vision support in Visuino. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you really like it, please give it the thumbs up. And if you like the channel and want to support my videos, the Visuino work and everything else, and help spread the word about the Visuino development, you can also hopefully decide to sign for the channel. Aside from that, Visuino development is going full steam ahead. A lot of new stuff has been added. There are also performance improvements in the IDE, some other really nice improvements in the IDE, which I don't want to mention in this video. You will have to discover them yourself. So keep an eye for new betas. You can also create an account on the Visuino website and subscribe for updates every time when there is a new beta or, of course, new tutorial. You will get announcement. That will help you keeping up with everything I am doing. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another video. Have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.